श्री शारदा भवन एजुकेशन सोसाइटीज यशवंत महाविद्यालय नांदेड़ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट ई लेक्चर सीरीज क्लास एम.कॉम सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड सेम सब्जेक्ट रिसर्च methodology and topic is applied versus fundamental research. Myself Dr. Harish Chandra Patange, professor and head PG Department of Commerce and Management of this college. Friends, there are various methods and types of research, just like qualitative and quantitative research, applied and fundamental research, descriptive and analytical research. Different types of research or methods are there, but only applied versus fundamental research or applied research is there for your syllabus. So we will study about the applied versus fundamental research. Now, firstly, applied research. Applied research is nothing but it is the research which is done to overcome a particular problem. Here, applied research aims at finding a solution for an immediate problem facing a society or an industrial or business organization. The central aim of applied research is to discover a solution for some pressing practical problem. Means where there we are going to face problem, in order to overcome such problem, whatever research we are going to undertake, that research is considered as applied research. Again, applied research aimed at certain conclusions, say a solution, on facing a concrete social or business problem. Applied research is nothing but a research which is done to find a solution on a particular problem of the society or business or firm or institute, etc. Operation research is an example of applied research. As we know, in last year we already studied the subject operation research. Under operation research, whatever various problems are there, like transportation problem, assignment problem, replacement problem, inventory problem, in order to overcome these problems, whatever research we are going to use, that research is considered as applied research. We have already studied in last year in under operation research. Simply at the last I will say here, applied research means nothing but any research is done by the researcher in order to overcome whatever problem faced by us, or whatever problem is there which is faced by the society or business organization, and in order to overcome, in order to provide solution on these problems, whatever research are undertaken by the researcher, these all are considered as applied research and nothing else. Now, fundamental research. Fundamental research is mainly concerned with the generalizations and with the formulation of a theory. Means under fundamental research it is very important, we are going to generalize the theory, we are going to formulate the theory. Means gathering knowledge for knowledge's sake is termed as pure or basic research. Fundamental research is also known as pure or basic research. Under this research we are going to develop new theory, we are going to add the knowledge or theory to the existing scientific knowledge or body of scientific knowledge or any science. Research concerning some natural phenomenon or relating to the pure mathematics are the examples of fundamental research. Means research made by the scientist generally are considered as fundamental research. Again, fundamental research is directed towards the finding information that has a broad base of applications and thus adds to the already existing organized body of scientific knowledge. Means whatever already existing organized body of scientific knowledge is there, means whatever developed science is there, in that developed science we are going to add something new theory, new general theory in such science with the help of this research, that is called as fundamental research. The research studies concerning human behavior carried on with a view to make the generalization about the human behavior are also the examples of fundamental research. Means whatever science is there relating to human being, relating to natural sciences, in that science we are directly indirectly going to add something new theory, new general theory in existing whatever science knowledge of science is there, by way of which research, that research is considered as fundamental research or basic research, or it is also called as pure research. Thank you.